Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React testing library. Today we are going to learn about the getByPlaceholderText. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So getByPlaceholderText finds the first element with the specified placeholder. Example, for the input fields, whenever we have a input fields we have a placeholder, right? So we are going to find the first elements with the specified placeholder text. In a React testing library, screen get placeholder by text is a function used to find an input element based on its placeholder text contents. Means, like, suppose we have an input field and the placeholder is like enter your password, so placeholder would be enter your password. So what we are going to do, this function helps you to target input elements like text fields, password fields, etc. based on the placeholder text displayed within the element itself. It provides way to test the initial state of an input field to verify the placeholder text is set correctly. So let's take an example. You will clarify each this thing. Okay, so this function returns the first input that matches the placeholder text. So now what we are doing, we are going to get by placeholder text, we are searching and matching that it exists or not. So first of all, let's take an example. You will understand much better on it. Search bar. So here if I go and click create a new file which name is, let's close this. So here I'm going to create a new file .js. So here I'm writing this function. This is a component and they have a placeholder that is search. Okay, and export this one. So here I'm going to exporting the search bar, correct? Now I'm going to create the search bar text file. So here we are going to create a test file .test.js, right? This is done. Let's create a test case. So here we are going to create the test case, right? So this is test case, and let me import everything from the top of it. Okay, and let's call this search bar here. Okay, this is totally done. Let's, but what we are doing here, so this is the definition description. You can see test input field by the placeholder, and here we are entering the search bar. Okay, so screen get placeholder text, what we are going to search the placeholder with this search. So if I go over here, there's a search placeholder, right? So when we try to search by the placeholder, if it is found, expect search input. If it is found, so let me explain this one, what does it means. Okay, so component with the placeholder, the search bar component includes an input with the placeholder search text. That is correct. Test case. We test if the search input element can be found using its placeholder text. So we are searching screen get placeholder. We call screen.get placeholder with the text search. After that assertion, we use expect to assert that the search input variable which stores the found element exists in the render DOM using the to be the document or not. So what we are going trying to do, first we render the search bar, then we are searching for the search placeholder. If it is found, then it will, the test case would be passed, otherwise it gonna be fail. Okay, so here we have a expect function, right? So expect, what it does, it is a function provided by the jest, the testing framework often used with the React testing library. It is used to create assertions, okay, in the test cases. Then we have a search input. So it is a reference to an element in the DOM. So we are referencing the element in the DOM in the context of the React testing library. This reference is typically obtained using one of the query methods like get test by ID, get placeholder by text. So this is referenced already, and this method returns the first element that matches the specified criteria. and to be in the document. So it's a matcher. Okay, so what exactly the matcher is, we have a long list of that one we will discuss. Is a matcher provided by the React test library, checks whether the element referenced by search input is present in the document. That is, it's a part of the rendered output of the component being tested. So that what it means, so it is basically, it checks whether the element is referenced by the searched input is present in the document or not. Okay, that's main work. So when expect search input to be the document is executed, what happens? If search input refers to an element that is present in the document, the assertion passes. In that case, it passes means the test cases passes. The test continues to run. If the search input refers to an element that is not present in the document, if it is not present in the document, what will happen? The assertion fails and the test will fail, indicating that the expected element is missing from the rendered output, that what we are trying to search. Okay, if it is not present in the document, then our assertion fails, our test case fails. Okay, so this assertion is useful for verifying a certain UI elements are correctly rendered in your components, ensuring that your components are behave as expected. It's a fundamental part of testing user interface with the React testing library. That is, expect assertions. Okay. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.